Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a Honcho wholesale box full of dresses. We're going to find out what the condition looks like and what kind of stuff we get. Will I make money? You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so let me give you the specifications before I open this box. This is a box from Honcho Wholesale, a liquidator that I have ordered from before. It's customer returns. It's dresses this time, dresses only. It's got 20 items in it. It cost me $240, so it's about $12 per dress. They're all in good shape. I do know that they remove them if they're defective, and some might be re-tagged. Okay, so we're going to get in here and find out exactly what's going on. I also wanted to let you guys know I'm going to be at the ASD Market Week in Las Vegas, Nevada this March of 2020. And we're doing a meet and greet at the Fresco Italiana at the Westgate Resort. So if you would like to meet us while you're there, it's 8 p.m. Tuesday night, the 24th of March, and we're going to, first 10 people get their meal paid for. So we've already got some people signed up. It's going to be a really fun, exciting time. And so hopefully we can meet you there. Honcho Wholesale, women's dresses, primarily fall and winter. The MSRP is $2,662, and it has 20 units. And these are considered customer returns. So let's go ahead and check them out. Ooh, that's a cute one. It's got a little keyhole back on it. Let's see what the original retail price of this one. Okay, so this one looks like a re-tag, a re-ticket tag. Original price $39. It is Carice Fame. Can't tell here's a better view of the maker. And that is a size, I don't know what size it was. Looks tiny.
Is that Crave?
Yeah, Crave, thank you. Junior, it's a junior's dress. I'll have to look later to see what size it is. So, that's a good one. Junior sizes don't sell the best for me just because they're for tiny little people. But they'll sell nonetheless. Well, this is a dress. This looks like a bridesmaid or a mother of the bride dress to me. Let's see. This one is a 14 petite. It doesn't have an original retail price, but 14 petite. Got a lot of sequins on it. It's a very pretty dress. Then we've got, that's a full-length gown right there. Then we have this one. It has like a silver underlay. It's an A-line. This looks like a dress my daughter would wear. It's got an A-line with a silver underlayer, see? So it looks silver through the dress. So original price is $49 on that one. I don't know where the sizes are on these. Let me just see if I can find it. Well, I'm not seeing it. I'm probably just missing it. Oh, this is a medium. Okay. Alrighty, here is a kind of pinkish looking fun dress. Those straps are kind of fun and funky. Want it, wear it, love it is what the tag says. Little kind of sleeve dress with some ruching at the waist to make you look skinny.
Price tag on that one?
I don't see a price tag on this one. Well, wait. $39 is the original. It's a dress as well. Let's see what else. This one is originally $33.93. No, original was $119 on this one. So I think I was seeing the current ticket price what they had it at Macy's, because this one, I'll show you the tag in a bit. This one's a cute little dress. It's got a tie back, which is why it's so tight right in here. But if you look at this ticket, original price, and I think some of these other ones I was looking at, gives me the current ticket prices. So they may have been more originally. So this one is just kind of a sleeveless long maxi dress. This is a pretty pattern. If I can find the top. Where's the top of it? Here's the back of it. Okay, the sleeves are... I'm trying to figure out how to hold it up. Sorry. Okay, hold on. Do I have it sideways? Okay, let me just do this. Okay, here we go. It goes like this. Oh, there was an extra tie that I thought was a sleeve, but this is just a tie that goes around your neck. So it's actually a halter neck. So you tie this in the back to close it, and the zipper is in the back. Well, that's a pretty dress.
What's the size?
This one is a original price $219. The size is 14. That's a gorgeous dress. I love it. Love it, love it. What is this? A skirt. Cute pleated floral skirt. Looks like, let's see the original price on this one. But it is a size 12. Oh, it's a high-low skirt. See the front? It's shorter than the back. All right, what else we got here? Calvin Klein, $134 for petite. A white dress. Can't believe there's nothing on that white dress. Nice. That's a sharp looking dress. Very good. All right, and then we've got this dress, sequins, size 5'6", slim social dress, original price $70. Sequins, and more sequins. Look at the back. Little keyhole. That will fit you snug. You will just bling bling everywhere. Kind of a velvety dress. Off the shoulder, velvety, kind of purplish burgundy, 3/4 sleeve dress. This one is a size 12. $159 is the original retail on that. I like this cute little detail on the side. All right, what else we got in here? I feel like there's more than 20 in here. It's like the never ending. Is this the same as the other dress? No, a little different. Cute top with ruching at the waist. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, original $239. It was currently trying to be sold for $143. So original was $239 for that one. This is a size, let's see if I can find it. Trying to find it. 14 petite. So both of the blue ones are 14 petite.
What do they call that on top, the detail?
The netting, and like the sheer illusion neckline. Just pulled it out. That's what it's called. It's all my years of watching Say Yes to the Dress. Just so you know, I've got some digital downloads of some fun, interesting, not fun, interesting, but some things that might help you in your reseller business. So a lot of my reseller program cards are now digital. So if you want to just have instant access, that is a beautiful black dress. Size 15, 16, A-line style, little black dress. Every lady needs a little black dress. $60 original price. Remember, and we're averaging $12 a piece. So I was talking also about those digital downloads. You can find those on Hooked on Pickin. I've got lots of different motivational things that can help you succeed in your reseller business, but I've also got my reseller cards that are now digital downloads. If you just want one of the reseller cards, you can buy them individually. So you can buy them for just the eBay card, just the Amazon card, just the thrift store card. But check those out. Those are all now available on hookedonpickin.com. So, and remember, this box is from Honcho Wholesale, and this is a customer returns dresses box. Everything is in good shape that I can see. Oh my goodness. I'm assuming you wear something underneath this, because that would not be something you want to go out in. $188 original price, a size 6. Yeah, you don't want to wear this just by itself. That's a pretty dress, though. So, all right, so yes, make sure you wear something under this. Not appropriate to go out in public without having something underneath that one. All right. This is very sparkly, kind of a rose gold. It's a size 10. Let me see the original price before I flip it around here. Don't have the original price, sorry. But it is a size 10, kind of a sheath dress, long sleeve, rose gold design, very beautiful. Kind of a knee length, or maybe a little bit longer knee length on that.
Sparkly.
It's very sparkly. So we will be actually coming back to you with numbers on this box to find out, will we actually make money? How much do we expect to make? So stay tuned to the end. We'll give you total numbers. So this original price is $109. It is a size 16. This is such a soft fabric. So it's a sleeveless dress. Kind of a beautiful little, it's an A-line style. Sits at the natural waist. So that's really pretty. So it looks like they were trying to clearance it down to $30, but remember, I only paid $12 for these. So, all right, what else? We're getting to the bottom of the box, slowly but surely. Wow, you could wear it this way. Is this a reversible dress? Oh, it almost looks like it because it's got leopard print on the inside, but I think it's just an added detail, but it's kind of an off-the-shoulder, it's an off-the-shoulder kind of sheath dress, but look at the back. Isn't that cool? So what size is this one? This one is a 2 petite, original price $90, Calvin Klein.
Can you show us the leopard skin?
The leopard skin right here. It's just all on the inside. So let me do this. So it's not reversible like I thought, but it's got a lot of the leopard's print detail, and this sleeve folds over, so that's kind of a fun. It's a really nice kind of structure in there, and it's going to be really nice and fitted. All right. Another blue one. Ooh, we've seen this one. Original price, I guess, again, $109. This one is a size 6. So that's going to make it easy to list. I will list I'll photograph the size 6 and then just put both of the different sizes in my listing. So that'll make it a little easier. This one is a Macy's size 22W, Betsy Johnson. Original price is $138. Cherries. So a little cap sleeve on it. All right. I think we've only got one more after this. Okay, this one is a size, trying to find it, size 10. I don't see the original retail price on this one. Oh, $288. Huh. Wow. All right, so this is a little black dress with kind of a natural tone underlay with some lace sleeves and kind of cap sleeves. Tadashi Shoji is the brand. So evidently a very expensive brand. So remember to stay tuned for the how much will I make at the end of this video. And then we have, this is a big fluffy one. This is a size 1 City Studio. Original retail price of $130. And it's just a skirt. Look at that. Very full skirt. That thing is enormous. Look at that thing. So fun. Look at that thing. Super fun. Nice floral. Size 1. So those are the 20 items in this box. So dresses, skirt, 2 skirts, everything else was a dress. Dresses actually sell fairly well for me, regardless of the size. And now, of course, any of the larger sizes, or what I call normal sizes, not teenager size, like the junior size, usually sell pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and go through each and every one, find out exactly how much we're gonna make, and we'll come right back at you. Okay, I'm super excited. This was an amazing box from Honcho Wholesale. I spent $240 on the box, and so this is awesome. I love dresses. I'm definitely going to probably get some more dresses. Let me give you the numbers of what everything is going to average out to. So I have got 16 dresses here, and then this one right here, and I'll tell you why I have this one right here, that are all going to go on Poshmark, okay? So let me tell you how much I'm going to make on Poshmark. This one was our diamond in the rough that we're going to put on Poshmark. This one is going for around $230 brand new on Amazon, but it doesn't have a picture, so I didn't want to list it there, and so I think I can list it for around $100 and make about $100. So this is going to be an awesome Poshmark sale. But behind me, I've got things that are going to go for $15, some are going to go for $50, things like that, and so I wanted to let you know that on average, conservatively, I think I can make about $30 a piece on the 16 dresses out of the 20 that are going to go to Poshmark, which brings me to $480 on Poshmark alone. That's after the Poshmark fees and all the shipping. So let me show you my awesome ones that I found that were actually on Amazon, and I was allowed to sell them in brand new condition because these actually do have the brand new tags and everything. So this one is an Apex Evenings dress. It's going to sell for $199 and $154 after fees. This will go on Amazon. And so this one had a sales rank. It should sell really well. So I'm super excited about that. So like I said, $154 for that one dress. Then I got this one is an Alex Evenings as well. This one will sell for $145. This velvety one, and let me look at my number, $109 is what I make after fees for this one dress. So as you can see, I'm pretty close to making up my money just on these 2 dresses alone going to Amazon. And then I've got this one is a Calvin Klein, which will sell for $109, and I will make $86 after fees on the Calvin Klein. And my last one, so as you can see, if you can sell them on Amazon, awesome. This one will sell, this one's a Guess women's dress, size 6, $164. This is that see-through one. $126 is what I'm going to make after fees. So I'm going to do really well. I'm going to put this one right here so I don't mix them up. So far on Amazon, I'm going to make $477. Add my $480 to it from the Poshmark sales, my conservative estimate from Poshmark, $957. All right, $240 is what I paid, so we're going to take that off. So my total profit from these 20 items from dresses that are fall and winter is going to be $717. So Honcho Wholesale Dresses Box, definitely worth it. I'm going to be able to do really, really well. So I'm super excited about this, and hopefully it's been fun to see how much I can make from a Honcho Wholesale Dresses Box. If you want some more stuff, go ahead and check me out on hookedonpickin.com, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hopefully you love my dresses galore unboxing. Please watch more of my videos if you haven't seen any more of my videos. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Check out hookedonpickin.com. I've got my reseller cards available for digital download, which means you get them instantly, plus a bunch of other resources. So check out hookedonpickin.com. You'll find some awesome things. And check out Honcho Wholesale. The link is in the description below if you want a box like this.